6th of June 2023. Bank Nifty opened around at 44,100 to 120 range. These were the positions which I took at the start of the day, and then we held the position. Uh, yeah, so as you can see, it's still on. I booked out my profit and all. That's why I got out and making the video a bit earlier. So yeah, so throughout the day, there was not much of an action. Initially, the market showed a downfall, and then it marked the lows. I had previously marked the highs and lows and was working well within the range. And every time it went up till 44,100, closing at 44,100, it went down and corrected itself. And this was the pattern on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, that was made throughout the day. As you can see, a lot of side movement, a bit of downfall, and then it traced back, and now as you can see, it's shooting up. So yeah, now later on around at 9:55 a.m, the 44,100 mark broke, but there was a strong support at around 44,000 80, strong resistance, so that it didn't break out and something like that. So I increased the C cell, since initially the market was falling. So I increased the C cell at 44,500 by one lot at around 10:17. So now these were the positions which I had made at that point of time. So the strategy was like, if 3 5 minute candles close below 44,000, then we will shift to one quantity. We will sell one quantity of 44,400 call. But that day low again broke. This was the status of the chart, like advanced decline chart, around at 11, where we can see some action. The range is closing in, and overall the negative trend was there in Bank Nifty, but it had support of Kotak and Axis, which were constantly providing support till 11:30, 12 still now, which eventually turned all the banks to from negative to positive. Okay, so yeah, around at 11:30, we saw the market shift, and then we adjusted the call sell option by selling two lots of P, trying to get balanced at 43,700. And then at the money call, I bought one lot around at 44,000 spot. So yeah, so 12:30 there was a trend shift noticed, as you can see here, around at 12:30. Yeah, this was the time when the trend shift was noticed, but it didn't hold up. Yeah, it broke high and it again went back. So it was going back and forth. That was the thing. The trick is, you have to outpatience. You have to have more patience. Yeah, more patience and wait out, which I did. The VIX was low, also low, 11.43, and around at 12:45 again the correction was there at 44,100 spot, and then it came down a little bit. 1:30 there was a green candle showing high spot, and this went on throughout the day. Yeah, pretty much it, on and on. But towards the end, I was hoping for this breakout, but it didn't happen until very late. So my target for the day was like to cut down losses, spare myself from over trading, and even, to make, at the end of the day, make some profit, so that at least something is better than loss. Okay, in the sideways market. Okay, so this 2:10 p.m. there was 2:10 p.m. there was again a downtrend. 15-minute candle was breaking low. Yeah, this is it. So expecting some movement around 2:20, 2:30, as the day was ending. But around 2:30 the up rally began. So yeah, I had some bullish trades taken. uh, I was holding the positions throughout, and cutting down on the losses was the main objective. So yeah, 3:05 there was till 3 p.m. market was sideways. 3:05 there was no movement, so I couldn't hold my nerve. It was very nerve wracking because the profit was above 2000, and it was going between like 1700 and 20 to 2000. So that's a mistake that I made. I focused, like my focus shifted to the PNL, which shouldn't be it. I should have been stuck with the chart. It was going so well, and it would have been a glorified ending, because yeah, I have written it down, got out too soon. So at the end, as you can see, there were like complete green candle. I got out somewhere around here uh, from the call, and that profit escalated, so I got a profit of 2.2k. But again, no harm no foul, I could have earned more. That is not a issue. Still, as you can see, the market is running at this spot. This is the 5-minute candle, this is the 15-minute candle. So yeah, the market was running at this spot. I don't expect it to go down by much or go up by much. Probably it will close somewhere around 44,200. That's pretty much takeaway from today. And yes, you have to be patient, you have to be more, you hold your nerves, and most importantly, you have to stick to the chart. Always stick to the chart. Do not look at your PNL much often, because the fluctuation, like these sort of candles, they create a lot of fluctuation in the profit and loss screen, so it kind of clouds your judgment. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully I'll see a red candle here, so that I can have some solace that I would have waited this, and then this would have taken out the profit if I waited till the end. So let's see, we'll catch up tomorrow.